This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very affordable rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to add a back to top in hosting your website builder. First, I go to hostinga.com and I log in using my Gmail account. On the left hand side, I click on websites list. Now I scroll down. Here I click on the website that is built using hosting your website builder. Now I click on edit website. Now my website has been loaded. I scroll down to the bottom of this page. On the left hand side, I click on buttons, drag and drop the button to the bottom of the web page. Now I click on edit button. Here I going to change the button text as back to top. Now I click on the style and change the button color as black and the border color is red, and I give the border width as 2. Now on mouse over, I change the fill color as red and the border color is black. Now you can see our button color has been changing from black to red. Now I scroll down up to the top and here I click on edit section and click on the anchor. Here I give the anchor name as back to top. Now again I scroll down and click on the button, edit button, and here I change the link to this section and the link is I give back to top section. Now if you want, you can open this new tab and I click on the bottom as make this as no follow. Now I click on update website. Now the website change has been published. I click on the visit site. I scroll down to the bottom of the web page and now I click on the back to top. Now you can see the web page has been gone to the front. So in this way you can add a back to top button easily. Thank you.